quick unboxing. Let's see. Get it ripped open. God damn it. I'm stoked. I've been wanting one of these decks, and I found one for sale. Actually, he didn't even post it for sale. I just slid in the DMs and got it. Hella stickers. Of course. What would you expect from 603 motherfucking underscore FB? You would expect a bunch of stickers, right? Alright, stickers galore. Buddy hooked it up with the stickers. Muck FB, Black River. Dude, I didn't even know 603 had his own sticker packs. What the fuck? That is so cool. That kind of looks like a Corey Taylor Iowa mask. But they all say 603 underscore FB. If you're not checking out your boy, you need to be following him. Black River sticker. This guy looks like a Super Mario sort of sticker, Atari, and a Flatface sticker, which I don't have this, so I'm stoked to have this. And the deck. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, another little sticker. Broadcast deck sticker. Jeez. And it's autographed. I didn't realize this was autographed. Whoa. Whoa, that just took this to another level. I didn't realize that. Flatface G15, but not just any G15. The Collinswood collab. Flatface G15, signed by Mike Schneider. Collinswood, man, he is one of my favorite deck makers. I mean, when it comes to art, bro is one of the best. Wow. All these hand burned lines. I wonder if he did this with paint or with pencil, but the colors look awesome. The plies are like a Napoleon ice cream. It's natural pink, brown, natural. Super sick, man. I believe these guys are going to do another collab, but I'm stoked just to have this deck. Oh, my two favorite, Flatface and Collinswood. I mean, it's a must-have. Super stoked. Oh my god.